Most people compare cash advance apps the wrong way, and that is the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Because the real question is not which app looks popular, but which one actually helps you when you are short on cash. In this video, we are comparing Cleo and Dave in 2026 to find out which one actually wins for cash advances and everyday financial support. Let's start with the basic difference. Cleo is mainly an AI budgeting assistant that also offers cash advance features depending on eligibility. Dave, on the other hand, is built specifically around cash advances, budgeting tools, and short-term financial support. Now here's what most people miss. These apps are not traditional loans. They are income-based advance systems. That means they look at your bank activity, income patterns, and account behavior instead of your credit score alone. Now let's break down how they actually work. Cleo uses a conversational AI system. You can ask questions about your spending, and it also offers cash advances in some cases. But its main focus is budgeting and financial awareness. Dave is more direct. It is designed to help you get small advances before payday, usually with a clear structure and faster access for eligible users. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you are like Alex, who just wants quick access to a small emergency advance, Dave feels more focused and straightforward. But if you are like Jake, who wants budgeting help plus occasional advances, Cleo offers more flexibility. But here's the problem most users face. They assume approval is guaranteed. It is not. Both apps depend heavily on your income history, bank stability, and transaction patterns. If your account activity is inconsistent, your limit may be low or unavailable. Let's talk about cash advance limits. Dave typically offers predictable small advances based on your income. Cleo's advance availability can vary more depending on region and account behavior. So Dave tends to feel more consistent for many users. Now let's compare speed. Both apps can deliver fast transfers, but Dave is usually more structured for emergency withdrawals, while Cleo may prioritize AI-based suggestions before advance approval. In a minute, I'll explain which app is better for long-term financial health versus emergency cash needs, because that is where the real decision matters. Now let's talk about fees. Cleo may include optional paid features depending on the plan. Dave often uses a subscription model with optional tipping for advances. So neither is completely free in the long run. Let's talk usability. Cleo feels like chatting with an AI financial assistant. Dave feels like a traditional finance app built specifically for cash advances. So your experience depends on whether you want simplicity or structure. So which one actually wins? If your main goal is fast and consistent cash advances, Dave usually performs better. If you want budgeting help plus occasional financial support, Cleo is more versatile. Let's summarize clearly. Dave is stronger for emergency cash access and predictable advances. Cleo is stronger for budgeting, financial tracking, and mixed support features. There is no perfect winner, only the right match for your situation. If this comparison helped you understand Cleo versus Dave in 2026, make sure to like the video, comment which app you use, and subscribe for more clear financial breakdowns.